Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Today I have a new box, one that I've never had before, and it's in here, and it is from Chic Beauty. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, are you ready? Again, this has been like really late nights. My mail lady is so slow. I think we're her last stop and it's really dark outside now. And it's like, oh my gosh, why can't we get our mail in like normal people? But it's okay. It's going to be, late nights. Matter of fact, I received 2 boxes. I received this one and I also received Allure. So for tonight, I'm going to go ahead and do at least one, which is this one here. And this is called Chic Beauty. And this actually comes from, I believe, Canada, if I'm not mistaken. It actually ships from Niagara Falls, but I think it may be a Canadian company. I'm not really sure. And I wanted to try this box. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what's in here, what it's all about. But they do actually mark on here fragile, so you see, fragile, handle with care. So I'm like, what's in here? So it's Chic Fam, and so I'll have to get the information for you as far as the price of the box and everything, because you can tell I'm not very prepared because I really wanted to get this recorded for you guys. And so I'll go ahead and put the information on the screen, and so you could at least know how much this box costs, okay? And so let's, this is actually a cute little box, right? Okay, let's open this up, and it comes like this. It says Chic Beauty Box, Chic Beauty Box. And so it looks like, just like everything else, it comes with a card. And here's the card. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. And it looks like there is actually, just tells you that it's the Chic box. And then in the back of it, there's like tons of stuff that's back here. The box can't have all this stuff in there. Okay, I remember now. What it is that you could have a variation of any of these things in here. And I think they give you this information because the price is on here. Exactly. Okay. And so you could get anything from like Nars to, the Bare Minerals to also NYX. That I would say, not grocery store, but that would be like drugstore brand. So it gives you a mixture of different things. And I remember seeing this box opening, the unboxing with Anne, and I watch her because she's really funny. She's from New Jersey, and so I actually go ahead and watch her, and she has all these cool boxes. I'm like, hey, I want to try that, and so I'm trying it. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna let you know one at a time what's in here. And as I was saying, NYX, exactly. And this looks like a let's see, is this an eyeshadow, or this is gonna be a blush, because look how bright that is, right? And I don't really use NYX products, and so whatever I don't use, I'm gonna directly put this into the actual giveaway bucket. And so this is a blush, and the color on this is called Rose Garden, and it is actually a very pretty color, but kind of bright for me. And let's see what the retail price on this is. And let's see, NYX Powder Blush, super smooth formula that delivers pigmented color with the true matte finish, $7.50. And definitely this looks like it has good color payoff. Look how dark that is. So yeah, so that's that. And it has like a little, it actually has a little sparkle in there. Actually, that's pretty, it's pretty. Okay, and the next piece is, it looks like, oh, it's Too Faced, and it is a eye pencil, looks like. Let's see. It is by Too Faced, and it is a Perfect Moss which I think means it's green, like moss color. Okay, here it is. And let's see. Oh my gosh, whoops, I think I pressed on it too hard. Either that or it got kind of hot and it melted. So here is the swatch for it. It's like green, and this is like a eyeliner with a smudger on one side. Okay, and actually this is a very pretty color. I don't think I have anything like that. And let's see how much that is. And it's by Too Faced. Let me see. Where are you? Where are you? That's kind of weird. There's a Too Faced Peach Matte Lip, but I don't see Too Faced eyeliner. Well, that's kind of weird. You know, it's been like a really weird week for me for the boxes. You remember just the other day, my BoxyCharm had the oil for Casas instead of the blush in there, and now I don't even see. Now I'm reading this. There is Too Faced Peach Puff Matte Lip, but I don't see anything about an eyeliner in here. That's really weird. Okay, I'm gonna have to take a look and see. I'll try to get you the price, but it is what it is. That's so weird. Okay, yeah, it's like the Twilight Zone over here lately. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off. Ooh, that's actually pretty tough. It's giving me a hard time coming off. Okay, and the next is by Nars Cosmetics. And this looks like some kind of a, is that a lip glaze? Makeup eye vinyl. Eye vinyl? And it's kind of clear, so what is it? Let's see if I can find this on the list. Okay, so that is the Milk Makeup Vinyl Strobe. It's $20. Just a few clicks reveal a slick pigmented shade in Ticky Free. Ticky, Ticky Free. Okay, but it doesn't say what it is. Yeah, and the color is called Tunnel. And it looks like some kind of a eye pigment. Maybe it's got, you know, something really sparkly in there. So weird. Okay, that's that. Okay, and next, oh, now, okay, this I can get into. Nars. I understand Nars. I totally get Nars. And this is probably a liquid blush of some kind. Okay, and this is the Liquid Highlighter Illuminator and Orgasm, which is their famous color, or shade, I should say. Oh yeah, here it is. Now I can get behind this. I totally know what this is. Okay, whoops. And what you do is actually, it's going to have like a little dropper, and you push the top. You see how that kind of comes out? I don't know if you can capture that. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit there, because a little bit with Nars goes a long way. Okay, so you see that little drip, and I'm going to see if I could. Okay, and it's very sheer, but watch, it should be really sparkly. The light's just not catching it. Let me see if this light will catch it. Yeah, I have to wave my motion sensor light on. Okay, I can get behind that, and I like Nars products. And let me tell you a little about that, okay? And so this is the Nars Orgasm Liquid Highlighter. It retails for $30. An ultra lightweight highlighting fluid and a universality flattering orgasm shade. And so, yep, that's exactly what it is. And I really like this shade. Actually, I have the blush in this, and I also have a not an eyeliner palette. Oh my god, it's so late. I'm like brain dead. I'm sorry. The eyeshadow palette and the same shade. Okay, next. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is by Almay. It's called the Goddess Gloss. Goddess Gloss. What are you? Let's see, by Almay. It's kind of, I don't know. Okay, let's see what it is. Hopefully I'll be able to find this on here. The problem is they have so many, look at this, all of these things written that you could possibly have in this box, but I mean, you have to really pick and find it. So, okay, the Almay Goddess Gloss is $9.99. It's a holographic lip gloss that's moisturizing, smooth, and never sticky. So this is a lip gloss. That's a weird color for a lip gloss. I'm not gonna open it because this is not something that I would use, and it's sealed here, so I don't want to open that. So, but it could be pretty actually. It could actually be pretty over some matte lipstick, I think. Yeah. And is there anything? Okay, I think there's one more thing here in the box, and let's see. What is this one? They always have to make things difficult for me. I'm afraid I'm gonna open it and go phew, fly away, and then hit the ground and break. No. Okay, let's see. What is this? Oh, Bare Minerals Invisible Light. Okay, Bare Minerals Invisible Light Translucent Powder Duo. Okay, let's read about it. Okay, let's see. Okay, it retails for $32. It's a 2-in-1 matte and glow finishes. Set makeup and blur the fine lines, pores, and imperfections. Ooh, I really can get behind that. Blur some lines and imperfections. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Oh, you remember aesthetics? I love packaging like this. Oh, hopefully it'll be a nice thing inside. Oh, very nice. Look at this. I'm going to go ahead and cover that. But look at the shades. This is so interesting. It's like one side is like, I want to make sure my fingers aren't dirty, is marbled. See, it's like, I don't know if it's going to have any color to it. Oh, it does a little bit. So you can see here, this was the marbled one and this was the solid white one. So it's very interesting. Yeah, I think I can get some use out of that. I like powders, especially one that blurs the lines. You barely could find things that blur the lines. It actually creates lines. So that's that. Okay, I think that is it. So let's recap real quick what I got here. First, I got the NYX blusher. And then I got this Almay lip gloss. And then the Nars Orgasm highlighter. Then we have the Bare Minerals 2-in-1 powder, which I'm having a hard time getting back in the box. And then lastly, the Milk, whatever this is. I still haven't figured it out. I still have not figured that out. Okay, hold on one second. I want to make sure I give you this information correctly. It's called the Makeup Vinyl Strobe. Just a few clicks reveals a slick pigmented shade and sticky-free. So I don't get what sticky-free means. Does that mean sticky? Maybe it's sticky-free and they missed the S? I'm thinking so. So that's that. Oh, and the last thing is the Too Faced the eyeliner. So, and Moss. And so, which is not on the card. So I think that's it, my beautiful wildflowers. So it was a real quick one, and I will go ahead and film the Allure box as well. And so I hope you guys are doing well and having a great week. So I think that's it for tonight. And if I added any value, please click like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. As I always say, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.